You've probably been hearing a lot about SDXL and wondering what on earth it is. If you're like me when I first dived into the world of AI, you're probably feeling a bit lost in the forest, and honestly, a little frustrated. I know I've been there, but don't worry, I spent my waking hours exploring this forest so you don't have to. In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you. What SDXL is, why it's so cool, how you can get it up and running, and most importantly, how you can use it to create amazing stuff. So let's not waste any time and jump right in. First up, what on earth is SDXL and why is everyone talking about it? Stability AI is a leading company in the world that specializes in creating AI software anyone can use and improve upon. This is what we call open source. They're particularly good at making AI that can create images, known as generative image AI. They have just launched their newest creation, SDXL 1.0. SDXL is a set of AI models that create images using a method they call stable diffusion. It's like a super advanced computer artist that can make pictures based on the words you give it. SDXL 1.0 has made this AI artist even better. It creates more beautiful pictures and is really good at understanding and following your instructions. Because Stability AI believes in open source, they have a huge global community of over 200,000 people. These include other creators, software developers, and researchers who all contribute to making their AI even better. To help this community do their work, Stability AI partnered with Amazon Web Services to give them access to an extremely powerful computer, the Ezra 1 Ultra Cluster, which is one of the top 5 biggest computers in the world. SDXL has been a huge hit. Apps that use this AI to generate images like Dream Studio, Lensa, Wonder, and Night Cafe are being used by over 40 million people. In short, with their latest release, Stability AI has brought a big change to the world of creative picture making. Their AI tools are being used by millions of people and are unlocking new possibilities for what we can create. Now, you're probably wondering, how can I use this awesome tool? Don't worry, I've got you covered. I'm going to walk you through how to use SDXL 1.0 with Comfy UI and Google Colab. Comfy UI is just a friendly way to use this tool, and Google Colab lets us use their powerful computers to run our software. So you don't need a fancy, expensive computer to do this. Any device with internet access will work. All right, let's get started. You need a Google account to use Google Colab. So go ahead and log in. Look for the Google Colab script for SDXL 1.0 plus Comfy UI. You can find it in the description of this YouTube video. Click the link to access it. Open Google Colab in your browser and create a new notebook. In this notebook, upload the script you just downloaded. In Google Colab, find Google Drive and select it. This will allow you to save the images you create. Now run the script to install Comfy UI in the same Google Colab notebook. Wait for it to finish installing. Next, run another script to download the SDXL 1.0 models. This might take a bit, so hang tight. Run the last script to start Comfy UI. This will give you a link. Copy the link and paste it into a new browser tab. This will take you to the Comfy UI interface. On the Comfy UI page, find the endpoint IP, not your computer's IP, and copy it. Paste this IP into the text box and submit. Now you're ready to make some art. Type in different prompts to create a variety of images. The sky's the limit. If you use the prompts Comfy UI provides, you get a pretty cool image. But you must be wondering, how do we do it ourselves? How do we get our AI to paint us a picture? Well, the basics are super simple. In the positive prompt box, we type in what we want, and in the negative prompt box, we mention what we don't want. So say we want a dog. It's as easy as typing dog in grass field into the positive prompt. Yep, that's it. Now, I'm no prompt guru. There are tons of videos out there that can guide you on becoming a prompt wizard. But remember, it's going to take time and practice. But there's a shortcut. You can go to a prompt website where other people share their successful prompts. So you can experiment and play around with their prompts until you find one that really speaks to you. So let's pick an interesting one and copy it in the prompt box. Press Q prompt. And just like that, voila, you've become a stable diffusion artist. I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative. The world of AI is constantly changing, and it's full of exciting new ideas and tools. If you're interested in more content where I simplify these latest AI concepts and tools for you, making it accessible and easy to understand, then do consider subscribing. See you in the next video.